DIY traditional leatherworking, crafting handcrafted goods. Ever wanted to make your own leather goods but didn't know where to start? Forget factory-made products. Handcrafted leather items last longer, look better, and can even be sold for a premium. Today, I'll share 5 essential tips to help you master traditional leatherworking and create stunning, durable pieces. Master traditional leatherworking with these 5 expert tips. Learn how to craft wallets, belts, and bags using time-honored techniques. Perfect for beginners and DIY enthusiasts looking to create high-quality handmade leather goods. Tip 1. Choose the right leather. Full-grain leather is the most durable and develops a beautiful patina over time. If you're looking for flexibility and intricate carving options, vegetable tanned leather is your best bet. Tip 2. Get the right tools, a utility knife for precise cuts, an edge beveler for smooth finishing, a stitching awl for durability, and a burnishing tool to give your leather a polished look. Investing in quality tools makes a huge difference in craftsmanship. Tip 3. Master the art of cutting. Always use a sharp blade and a steel ruler for clean, straight cuts. A dull knife will ruin the leather and waste materials, so keep your tools sharp for precision. Tip 4. Stitch like a pro. The saddle stitch is a game changer. Unlike machine stitches, this hand-sewn technique won't unravel, even if a thread breaks. Double up on waxed thread for extra strength and a high-end look. Tip 5. Finish like a craftsman. Burnishing edges with a wooden slicker and beeswax gives your piece a professional feel. Conditioning your leather with natural oils keeps it supple and long-lasting. Leather crafting isn't just a hobby, it's a profitable skill. Custom leather goods are in demand, making this a perfect DIY side hustle. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only. Always follow safety guidelines when working with tools and materials.